Welcome everyone to this video. Um, so we are going to do a question which came in JEE Mains 2024. So this is pretty fascinating question which has been covered a lot of times by some authoritative textbooks, and when such a question comes, it bears a good look. So the question is that you have convex lens and we are basically conducting an experiment. So in that experiment, we are supposed to find the focal length of the lens. But as part of all the experiments, an error creeps up. So what is the correct expression of finding the error in that computation? That is in the computation of focal length. So that is what this question is. What is the error in measurement of the focal length of the lens, given that the error in maintaining the object distance is u, and the error in finding the image distance is v. The object distance, image distance, and errors in them are available to us. So on the optical bench, these are basically the least count of the scale which is used to measure um, the values. So let's begin. How do we do this? So we have a formula that 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Right. So using this formula only, we have to evaluate what is the what is the error in focal length. So the error in focal length is, let's say, some delta f. Right. So here the idea which we have is, let's say the expression had been something like f is equal to, so hypothetically we are saying, hypothesis, that the expression was something like f is equal to v minus u. Then we know that the error in focal length would have been simple addition of error in v and error in u. So can we apply the same kind of expression to this expression? So the answer is no. It basically um, it be it kind of basically it requires us that we do some kind of calculation with this expression. So what we do is that we'll be looking for df. That is what is the error in focal length. So we want to do some differentiation. So that is minus 1 upon f square df by some dx. That is, we differentiate this with respect to x is equal to minus v upon v square dv by dx plus 1 upon u square du by dx. So here by saying that this df is some value, error value, so this is some df upon f square is equal to dv upon v square plus d upon u square. So this implies error in f is equal to f square into dv upon v square plus du upon u square. So option 2 is the correct one. So this is one of the questions in which we didn't take the natural log of the function 1 upon f and directly differentiate it. So this is a little bit different from what we normally encounter in JEE mains. So thank you for joining. Have a good day.